Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to check out the best method to verify your Cash App account faster. Alright, so it's going to be a quick video. Let's get into it. The best method to verify your Cash App account faster is to submit accurate information the first time and avoid unnecessary changes. You want to ensure that your legal name, date of birth, and address exactly match your government issued identification. Use clear, well-lit photos if identity documents are requested, and avoid cropped or blurry images. Complete verification from a stable internet connection to prevent submission errors. Do not attempt multiple submissions in a short time, as this can slow the review process. Keep your account activities minimal until the verification is complete. Clean, consistent details allows Cash App's system to process verification smoothly and with fewer delays. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.